Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Spendee application. So the first step into making an account is track your cash flow to simply change and mold how your cash and budgeting is happening. So connect all your bank accounts that you want to budget, and all transactions will automatically get imported to Spendee. And if you have crypto wallets and e-wallets, for a complete overview, connect them also and add your cash expenses manually when you make some, and understand your financial habits. This is not basically connected to how to use your Spendee application. And yeah, to use it, you will just simply connect your wallets with it, your cards. So your cards, your crypto wallet, so that you can monitor your spending and simply get cautious about it, and simply 1% every day start cutting on costs that you don't need and things that you don't need, so that you can save money for the future. So yeah, this is how you can easily use the Spendee app, by connecting your credit cards, debit cards, and crypto wallets, and adding your cash expenses manually, creating a sense of integrity about your expenses in yourself. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.